Hello and welcome back to my channel, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Guys, today we will start a topic which is a very important or essential topic for the biodiversity, that is called protected areas. So what are protected areas, why we should protect them, and we have already studied about the conservation of biodiversity and why the biodiversity is being exploited or the species are becoming the endemic or या फिर vulnerable rare species. This type of all the topics were discussed in the previous videos, and if you want to catch it, then you can catch from there. Now today's topic is protection areas. So we will all only study about this, that in what ways we can protect the areas and what these protected areas were called. So under the 1972 Wildlife Protection Act, our government has created the protection areas like national park, wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere. Okay students, so we will go through all this, that in conservation biodiversity in situ conservation of wildlife is comprehensive system of protected areas. So protected areas comes under the conservation of which type? In situ type of conservation. So there are different categories of the protected areas which are managed with the different objectives for bringing benefits to the society. Okay, so this includes the national parks, sanctuaries, biosphere reservoirs, national monuments or cultural landscapes, etc. These are maybe considerably in size, design, purpose and effectiveness उसका डिपेंड करेगा हमेशा मैनेजमेंट पे, मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम पे. So but together form a solid base of the conservation of biological diversity. So firstly we will discuss about that what is national park. So national park is an area of land set aside by an act of Congress because of its unique physical and or the cultural value to nation or the whole. So administration by the Department of Interior for the public use. So a national park is a reservoir of land usually owned by a normal government that protects from the most human development and pollution, or it may be said that an area honored by the state and directed by the states for the conservation of scenery and the natural and the historical objects of the national significance, and to conserve or wild animals and plants by such means as leave them unimpaired for the enjoyment of the present and future generation. So what national park is? So it is a height to the habitat for the particular wild animal or species like the tiger, lion, rayon, etc. In India, the size and the range is 0.04 to 3162 square kilometers. Most common in about 40% is 100 to 500 square kilometer. In 50% it is 500 to 1000 square kilometer. So boundary circumstances by the legislative, except the buffer zone, no biotic interference एंड टूरिज्म परमिटेड होता है इस एरियाज़ में. रिसर्च एंड सिग्निफिकेंस मैनेजमेंट का लैक होता है इसमें, यहाँ पे रिसर्च नहीं कर सकते. सो फार नो अटेंशन टू द जीन पूल एंड द कंजर्वेशन. यहाँ पे पूरे के पूरे कुछ ही किसी स्पेसिफिक एरिया को बैन कर दिया जाता है नॉर्मल लोगों के लिए, और वहाँ पे जिनका हैबिटेट है उन्हें रहने दिया जाता है. तो नेशनल पार्क we will see look in the short that it is an area which is strictly reserved for the protection of wildlife is called a national park. In any national park, no grazing of animals and cultural activities are allowed. Okay, so there are 89 national parks in our country. This is all about the national park. The second topic is the sanctuaries. So what is sanctuaries? Sanctuaries are an area constituted by the complete authority in which the killing and capturing of an animal or the wildlife is prohibited except with permission, and the boundaries and characters of which are sacrosanct. So sanctuaries are generally specific species originated as the citrus, peaches plant or Great Indian basswoods. The size range is 0.61 to 7818 square kilometer. Most common in India is 100 to 500 square kilometer. So boundary is not saccharine, unlimited biotic interference and tourism are permitted. Research is also lacking here also. So far, no attention for the geographical conservation. Sanctuaries are an area which is strictly reserved for the protection of animals is called sanctuaries. There are 492 sanctuaries in our country. In any sanctuary, the following activities are allowed, provided the do not interfere with the well-being of the animals. Harvesting of timber, collection of mineral forest products. Only these two things are allowed here. Rest of the things are not allowed. We will not hunt the animals. We would not disturb them. Just we can go there, harvest if needed some wood, and we can use somewhat of forest resources also. So this is all about the sanctuaries. Sanctuaries has a multiple meaning. A sanctuary is the sacred area of the church or a temple around its altar. In medieval law, a sanctuary was a place of reason, right, or asylum for the poem on the run for the law. An animal sanctuary is a place where animals live and are protected. So this is all about the sanctuaries. The next topic and the next point is biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserves are the multi-purpose protected areas developed to firstly conserve the biodiversity and integrity of the plant, animal and microorganism. Here the whole biosphere is reserved. So in this the plants also come, the animals also come and the microorganisms. So the living relationship of all these things comes under the condition of biosphere reservoirs. And educate, train and create awareness about the environmental aspects and eco-friendly lives. This is about the biosphere reserve. So it is not kept hidden from anyone. Two or more species, but to the whole ecosystem it is conserved, and totally of all the form of life that is called ecosystem type of originated is seen in the biosphere reservoirs. The size range over 5600 to 70 square kilometer. Boundaries circumstances by the legislation, and except the buffer zone no biotic interference. Tourism normally not permissible. Research are manageable here, and so far attention to the gene pool and conservation is done in this also, in the biosphere reservoir also. So 12 biosphere reservoirs set up in our country, that are the Nilgiri, Great Nicobar, Sundarban, Devon Devag, Nanda Devi, Gulf of Mannar, Similipal, Panchmadi, Nokrok, Manas, Dibrus or Kanchigram. So this is the biosphere reservoir, which is always larger from the national park. So this today's topic on the protection areas and the network of these protection areas are hope enjoyable for you all. If you like this video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching.